Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another sneaker review. So I picked up another pair of Yeezys and I just figured I'd share with you. I'm actually going to be wearing them today for the first time, and I figured I'd kind of give my first impressions of these shoes and just kind of reveal them with you guys. So let's get into it. So I picked up a pair of Yeezys, and I got the ones that came out this June. You guys can see the box. So as you know, Yeezy box. There they are. Here they are. Here are my new pair of Yeezys. They're the all black non-reflectives that came out in June 2019. Yes, I had to get these because they're black, all black. Just have like the red here in the stitching in the back. See those side of them. Still have the tag on and all. Of course, I wanted to get these because they're all black and I'm a black on black girl for sure. So that's why I decided to pick these up. So I ended up getting these in a US 7, so that's a men's 7. I'm usually a US women's 8 in sneakers. Like all my Adidas sneakers are size 8. I had previously owned a pair of Yeezys, and you guys, I'll put the video below if you haven't seen that one before. And I got those in a size 6, I believe, and they were quite snug. Very snug that I really didn't even feel comfortable wearing them with socks because they were so tight. So I wanted to size up. I went for a whole size, full size up. This is a men's size 7, guys, and I usually wear a woman's size 8, which converts to a men's size 6. So I really went up a full size in this shoe, and yeah, they're comfortable when I tried them on. I'm going to be wearing them out and about for the first time today. Getting this from the website or app GOAT, which they are a sneaker reseller. What they do is people can list shoes, sneakers they have on their site, and then if they're purchased, they're sent off to GOAT for authentication, and once GOAT authenticates the shoe, then they send it from you with kind of their seal of authentication, so you know you're getting legit sneakers. So unfortunately, I did have to pay over retail for these. I'm not happy about that. I tried to get them on release date and I didn't. But honestly, I think this is it for me with the Yeezys. I wanted a black on black pair. So I'm done with the Yeezys. Like, this is it for me. I really like the black on black look. They're super comfortable. So that's it. Just kind of like a quick share of the Yeezys that I picked up. I'm excited to own them in all black. Like I said, I feel like that's more classic for me. Something I will definitely get more wear out of than the previous colorway I owned. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. That was my first impressions review and reveal of my new Yeezys. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram if you want to see how I style these up. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time.